Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to underline text in WhatsApp. So actually it is very easy. First of all, if we go to the WhatsApp and choose any chat that you want, so for example I'll choose this chat and type some random text, for example underline. If you select this text, double tap on it and choose the format right here, you'll see that there is no underline format in the WhatsApp available in the current version. So we can only make it bold, italic, strike through, or monospace. So to make it underlined, all we have to do is to simply close the WhatsApp and open the Safari browser or any other browser you're using. And in the search bar we need to type underline text generator. And I will choose the first website called glyphy.io. So click on the website, and here basically you can select this bar and type here the random text that you want to be underlined. So for example, hello, I want this text to be underlined. So as you can see, there are some variants of this underlined text, and I will choose the first one. So simply click on this black button next to the text, it means copy, then close the Safari browser and go to the WhatsApp once again. Press on the text bar here and click on the paste. And basically now you can send the text and it will be underlined. And basically that is it. This is how you can underline the text in the WhatsApp. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.